Good morning. Do you know what today is? Well, not today. Yesterday. Yesterday was December 1st, which means Vlogmas. So, I totally forgot that yesterday was the 1st. I don't know why I thought it was like the 31st. I got a text from Nezzy. She was like, "Are you doing Vlogmas?" And I was like, what's today? And then I was like, I'm gonna try, you know, but I already forgot to film. So what I did was I got up early because I get up early, and I already felt like stuffy, like it was gonna be one of those days where I just continuously sneeze. I'm feeling like pressure in my head because I keep blowing my nose. You know, one of those kind of days. So all I did was lay on the sofa. And that's pretty much how Vlogmas day 1 went. I sat on the sofa. I watched a whole bunch of YouTube. I caught up on a whole bunch of videos that I'm like falling behind on. And I got a bunch of stuff coming in. I took a big advantage of the 90% off that Shein is having right now, the sale that TEMU is having right now. I went on to Rainbows and I was like, should I try again for the thigh-high boots? And I was like, I don't know. But all I wanted was the boot. But I wasn't going to pay for the shipping only because it said I still needed like $37. And I was like, ain't nothing else on there I want. And then I was looking at these knee-high pewter color. So beautiful. But then I was like, Jack, don't buy that just to make the shipping. So, yeah. So I catched up on emails. I responded to emails. I caught up on videos. I responded to stuff. I sneezed 150 times every hour on the hour. I blew my nose. I was already feeling like, ugh. And it's this time, you know. So then I had ordered these barrel jeans from Walmart. They were tight as hell, so I had returned it that morning, remember? So I ordered the next size. They showed me an image of the garage door, like a little piece like this, and the box is leaning on it. I go outside, it ain't here. So I don't know if it's in that house or this house, because there's a house back there. I don't know if you could see it, but it was freezing and I was not about to go and do that. So anyways, I emailed them and I was like, it was delivered to the wrong place. So the chat person, which I feel like is a machine, was like, give it a few days. Sometimes they say that and it's not there. Why are you sending me an image if you didn't deliver it? Like, I don't understand what that response was. But anyways, we're going to cut into, you know, my coffee, doing this look, which is just another one of my quick, simple looks. And then I don't know what happened because I had so much time, but I cut down the video of me doing my makeup and speeding it up because I was fooling around. I was like, you know, I was messing with my hair and whatever. And then I looked at the clock and I was like, yo, I got to go. Like, I didn't have time to curl the hair or anything. I just pushed it back because then I started showing you a little bit of my room, and we're gonna cut into that. This is gonna be Vlogmas day 1 and 2, and it might not be much after this video because I'm going to work now, and then after that I'm not doing nothing else. I'm coming home. I gotta jump on a Zoom call, so my husband will probably pick up something, and that's day 2. So let's get this video going. So I got rid of a bunch of pants and a bunch of pants. What else did I get? I got rid of some casual wear, some jeans, a couple of shoes. We're gonna do a room tour, but not today. I got rid of some sweaters that I had because I got a lot coming in, and I'm trying to little by little change out a few things. Like these I could probably put in there because this is more not really summery. Like these I could wear now. I could wear all of these now, but they go with like my summer tops, and I don't feel like I can mix it with like my fall tops. So yeah, I might move this over here because yeah. And then I got rid of some of my boots. As you can see, those are my boots. I have my fedoras here, which were up there. So I moved the mirror over here just so it brightens up on this side when I'm filming, you know, like, and then I have my desk here. So it feels a little cramped in this area, but when I put my camera here and film this way, I still have like this section, you know. So this again is not a big room, but yeah. And then I have my shades here, and I can just turn them. I have empty spots because I got rid of some of my shades. My fedora hats are up there. These are new in pieces that I still haven't worn, except for this. I already wore this, but yeah, usually when I get something new, it goes here before it goes in here. So yeah, this is a sneak peek of this room. Not really a good one because, you know, I'm always switching things around. I got to work on this area here, but yeah. All right, this is that knit I picked up from Walmart. I have been loving it. It is so soft. This is my Primark bag. My Primark belt, and then I have on these like camel jogger pants. This is from Shein, and they're just like waist elastic on the waist. They have pockets, and they're like that. My TEMU flats with the pointy heel just to dress it up. So yeah, that's my look. And I don't know what the hell happened, and I ran out of time. I don't know, fooling around. So I just picked up my hair in a little ponytail, and that's it. That's the look. So let's go.